In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use parameters in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to enhance your data visualization skills, understanding parameters is an essential step toward making your dashboards more dynamic and interactive. Let's start by launching the Tableau application. Once it's open, navigate to the worksheet where you'll be implementing your parameters. Once you're on your worksheet, direct your attention to the data pane. Here, you'll find a drop-down arrow in the upper right corner. Click on this arrow and select Create Parameter from the menu options that appear. This is your first step in setting up a parameter that will later enhance your dataset's interactivity. Let's move on to naming our parameter. In the dialog box, enter a name. We're going to call it ViewBy. Naming it helps you and anyone else who may use the dashboard to easily understand what the parameter controls. Next, you'll be prompted to select a data type. For this exercise, we'll choose string as the data type, allowing us to input multiple text-based options later on. Now, let's set the allowable values. Change this setting to list. Doing so provides you with the flexibility to define specific values that users can choose from, enhancing the parameter's functionality. Once you've selected list, it's time to add the values. Enter sales and profit and quantity as the list of values. Each of these represents different aspects of your data that users will be able to switch between. After you've added these values, click OK. This action finalizes the creation of your parameter. With the parameter in place, it's time to see how it integrates with your data visualization. Begin by dragging the subcategory field to the columns shelf. Then go to the Analysis menu and click on Create Calculated Field. We need to name this new calculated field, so enter the name ViewBy. In this calculated field, you'll type the appropriate query tailored for your data needs. Once satisfied with your query, click OK. This calculated field will use the parameter you've just created to adjust the data visually based on user selections. Now take this newly created calculated field and drag it to the row shelf. By doing this, you're setting up your visual to dynamically adjust based on different parameter selections. The last couple of steps involve making the parameter interactive. Click on the View By parameter in your data pane and then select Show Parameter from the options. This action will display the parameter control on your worksheet, and voila! Your parameter is live, providing users with a dynamic way to interact with the data by simply selecting one of the options from your list. And there you have it, a fully functional parameter that's ready to enhance your Tableau visualizations by adding a layer of interactivity.